Drake the Dragon and the amazing fire sneezes. Welcome to Dragonville, where dragons zoom through the sky. But not all dragons can fly. Meet Drake. He loves his friends, Spark, Blaze, and Ember. But there's one thing that makes him different. Drake can't fly.
Hey, Drake! Why aren't you flying with us? I wish I could, but I just can't fly like you guys.
Don't worry, Drake. Everyone has something special. You just need to find yours.
Yeah, and in the meantime, why not try something new?
Drake decides to try new things.
Maybe I should try out something new.
Drake started to have fun with a lot of activities. He found out he was great at juggling. He could juggle with any kind of things. He was fascinated by painting too. He couldn't believe he was able to create such amazing art with so many colours. He even became the best at dragon music concerts. One day as Drake was juggling, he sneezes.
Ouch!
A burst of fire shoots out.
Whoa! I can breathe fire! Look at that, Drake. You're a fire-breathing dragon. This cave has been dark for ages. Let's try out some tricks here. Okay, here goes nothing. Whoa! You lit up the entire cave. Wait a minute. The village is buried under too much snow. It's freezing cold.
Oh no, if it keeps snowing, the villagers might be in trouble.
The village was freezing, and the dragons didn't know how to help. But Drake knew he could do something.
I'm going to use my new fire-breathing powers to help warm up the village.
Drake takes a deep breath and sneezes out a big, controlled flame. The fire warms up the village and melts the snow.
Hooray for Drake! You're a hero, and you proved that being unique is awesome. Thanks, everyone. I guess being different is pretty amazing.
Drake learned that embracing what makes him different turned out to be his greatest strength. So remember, kids, just like Drake, embrace what makes you unique. Your special talents are what make you extraordinary. And that's how Drake became the hero of Dragonville. See you next time for more adventures. Embrace what makes you unique. Your special talents can make you a hero.